Did I not have my microphone on the whole time? Oh my gosh. Damn. Well, I guess I'll start over. I'm going to start over with style. Sorry about that, everyone. Usually I have a test in here, so I got to restart from scratch. 1 second. Let's change the music. Let's turn it back to 50% and then reactivate. All right, so how I started the stream. Hey, it's Feature Friday. Hey everybody, it's Middleton from LifterLMS. Usually I have someone on here with me to tell me that I'm muted, someone like Kurt or Chris, but today I didn't. Today I just went 3 minutes completely muted without my microphone on. But today we're going to be talking about orders inside of LifterLMS and some of the unique features that it has to offer you. A lot of LifterLMS customers are using courses or memberships with their program in order to sell a recurring plan, a one-time payment. They could sell an ebook, they could sell continuing education, all kinds of different programs within Lifter. And so for this example, for this Feature Friday, what we're going to be talking about is some of the features that this has to offer you, the LifterLMS order system has to offer you as a coach. And I know a lot of LifterLMS customers and clients of mine charge recurring prices for ongoing coaching. And sometimes their customers ask them, hey, I'd like to put my order on hold temporarily. And LifterLMS does offer you that option. If someone says, hey, I need to put my account with you on hold temporarily, there was an event in the family, there was something came up, and I'm not going to be able to participate in your program for a while, but I do want to come back later. What you can do is set the order status to on hold within LifterLMS. Up here in any recurring order, you can set the status to on hold. And what that's going to do is not process any recurring payments until you reactivate that order. You can also change the next payment date. We can see here the next payment date for this order is March of 2022. March 2022, it's 2024. Let's imagine that this is March 2024 and someone says, I'm going to be out of pocket for the month of March. As a website admin, as a coach myself, what I could do is edit the next payment date and say, no problem, you're going to be gone in March. I'm going to change your next payment date to April. I'll see you in April. We can update the order, and that process is really seamless. Awesome. So next payment date would be April of 2024. Probably want to change that here too. There we go. So next payment date would be April 2024. I can tell them it's no problem. So we can set an order on hold to be on hold until further notice, or we can set it to be active and then just change the next payment date. These are some of the dynamic options that you have as a coach within LifterLMS to change how you bill your customers. Another option inside of the LifterLMS orders that I want to highlight in this Feature Friday is how you can process a refund. If you ever need to process a full refund or a partial refund, you can do that from within LifterLMS without leaving your website. You usually will have PayPal or Stripe connected as a gateway inside of Lifter, and the transactions as a part of an order will be logged right here if we scroll further down the order page. And so if maybe there's like a partial refund we're going to issue for the payment that was made on 1/26/24, maybe they only used like half of the coaching program or something, and we decided to issue them a partial refund. What we do is refund amount, and here I would do maybe $1,500. Go ahead and refund via Stripe, or you could refund manually. Refund manually is going to just log it inside of Lifter and then assuming that you're going to deal with the refund outside of Lifter. But I clicked refund via Stripe, so we can see that there's a $1,500 refund on this order. And then if we wanted to do a full refund, what we could do is just type in the full amount. So if I wanted to refund this order just for the full amount, all we have to do, type in the full amount. We could add a refund note if we'd like, and then refund via Stripe. And LifterLMS, as a part of the Stripe gateway, is going to take care of all of this for us. So these are some of the options that we have inside of the back end of LifterLMS orders. We have the option to update the next payment date, update the order status to be on hold, very useful for recurring orders. And also we can manage the student enrollment here in the back end of the orders interface. A lot of functionality is unlocked for coaches inside of the back end of the orders interface in LifterLMS. So there's a lot of flexibility that you can engage with there. LifterLMS is a super flexible product. I recommend checking it out. We have a free core plugin along with a lot of add-ons that extend the functionality. My name is Will Middleton from LifterLMS. Thanks for joining me this week. Next week, we will be going live at the same time, hopefully with Chris, and hopefully I won't be muted for the first 3 minutes. But the topic next week, let me see if I can pull it up here. The topic next week is going to be how can we do cohorts with recertification each year? This is a question that comes up a lot in the community. I'm going to post the link to our community events calendar here in the chat. How do we do cohorts that have recurring certification? So each year we need to re-up our certification. We need to recertify. We have a 2021 course, 2022, 2023 course, and each year our customers need to come back and recertify for continuing education. That's what we're going to be talking about next week. Check out the link in the chat, lifterlms.com/community-events. And I hope to see you on. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.